Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to install Bpytop on Ubuntu 21.04. Bpytop is an Linux command line utility which monitors many utilities like Top, Htop, Bashtop. It is very similar to Bashtop and written in Python. It shows usage and stats for processor, memory, disk, network, and processes. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next, I'm going to install the Python package by using following command. Next, I'm going to install the Python package. Next, I'm going to add the AZLux repository to the apt source list by using following command. Next, I'm going to add in the key for that repository by using following command. Next, I'm going to update the apt source list. Next, I'm going to install the Bpytop by using following command. The installation is completed. Now I am run the Bpytop by using following command. Close the app. It will show the enhanced version of top command. This is how to install Bpytop on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed. Subscribe to Linux Help channel. Visit linuxhelp.com. For support, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.